Welcome to MarineMax Clearwater. This is Brian Bachland, and today I'll be walking you through the 2018 Sea Ray 210 SPX Outboard. As you can see, the transom of the vessel, swim platform, powered by a 150 horse Mercury outboard, large sun pad in the rear, storage under all the seats. To the starboard side we have an igloo cooler, more cooler storage under the rear seat. You can see the twin comfortable captain's chairs for the passenger and captain. Full instrumentation with Rockford Fosgate marine grade stereo and speakers. Storage under the passenger side dash. And finishing off with the large spacious bow area with wraparound bolsters for both forward or rear facing seating. If you'd like more information on this boat or any others we have in stock, please feel free to give me a call. Again, my name is Brian Bachland, 813-503-2649. Thank you.